So again, focus is very simple, very straight. I'll try and modify my seat. Maybe this helps me. So, Putra, all of us, same thing, nothing changed. We go back to home. I'll start with you. Ranveer, Putra, no specs, no mask. Today also again, our home purpose is very simple that we need to go back into our soul connectivity. One sound together, help each other, and let's do it this way. Okay. Siddhanand Sadhguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. शांति 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 ओम। रणबीर बच्चे, why are you so stressful? ओम क्यों नहीं होता ठीक तरह? करके दिखा, करो। Enjoy करना. Om is something you need to enjoy with her. Om is not pressure with her. Om is universe. Om is everything. Every roop of Devata, every roop of Bhagavan, every roop of anybody, we are all part of the same part. All into that. We have the same light which Baba has, you have, all of us has the same light. They are elevated, higher part, right? The power of light is extreme. The karma is done by the soul. Power has done amazing to come, right? We need to work on our light with them. And today, I was, from last 2 days it is happening. And but get your tea. Go. Get your tea first. I don't want. Raghu, tea, ah?
पी ले बाबा जी.
Sai Ram, everybody.
Sai Ram Snehaji. Sai Ram. So today we will be majorly trying to discuss and understand. And this is going on inside me for last 2 days. Let's see what Baba has written and they'll come back with it. Give me Baba with it. I love that. तो मेरे चश्मा होता है. अंदर पे पत्ते उत्ते किधर? मेरा बैग खोल, क्या बोला? HP होगी.
It is hot. If you don't, if it's not,
Yeah. श्री सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. मातृ प्रेम अध्याय 3. गाय का अपने बछड़े पर प्रेम सर्वविदित है. उसके स्तवंदन सदैव दुग्ध से पूर्ण रहते हैं और जब भूखा बछड़ा स्तन की ओर दौड़कर आता है तो दूध की धारा स्वतः ही प्रभावित होने लगती है. उसी प्रकार माता भी अपने बच्चे की आवश्यकता का पहले से ही ध्यान रखती है और ठीक समय पर स्तनपान कराती है. बालक का श्रृंगार उत्तम ढंग से करती है, परंतु बालक को उसका कोई भान नहीं होता. बालक के सुंदर श्रृंगार आदि को देखकर माता के हर्ष का पारावार नहीं रहता. माता का प्रेम विचित्र, असाधारण, निस्वार्थ है. उसकी कोई उपमा नहीं. ठीक उसी प्रकार सद्गुरु का प्रेम अपने शिष्य पर होता है. ऐसा है प्रेम बाबा का मुझ पर था. उदाहरण निम्न प्रकार था. सन 1916 में मैंने नौकरी से अवकाश ग्रहण किया. जो पेंशन मुझे मिलती थी वह मेरे कुटुंब के निर्वाह के लिए अपर्याप्त थी. उसी वर्ष की गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिवस मैंने भक्तों के साथ शिरडी गया. वह अन्ना चिंची करने सोते ही मेरे लिए बाबा से इस प्रकार प्रार्थना की, इन पर कृपा करो. पेंशन इन्हें मिलती है निर्वाह योग्य नहीं है. कुटुंब में वृद्धि हो रही है. कृपया और नौकरी दिला दीजिए ताकि इनकी चिंता दूर हो और ये सुख पूर्वक रहें. बाबा ने उत्तर दिया, इन्हें नौकरी मिल जाएगी, परंतु अब इन्हें मेरी सेवा में आनंद लेना चाहिए. इनकी इच्छाएं सदैव पूर्ण होंगी. इन्हें अपना ध्यान मेरी ओर आकर्षित कर अधार्मिक तथा दुष्ट जनों की संगति से दूर रहना चाहिए. इन्हें सबसे दया और नम्रता का प्रताप बर्ताव कर अंतकरण से मेरी उपासना करनी चाहिए। यदि ये इस प्रकार आचरण करते सके तो नित्यानंद के अधिकारी हो जाएंगे। वाह, wow. So now the fear of not having anything, my job, my business, my work, it is needed, but not that scary aspect that you will be done with that. The the process and progress of journey is only in one thing, that is your surrender to your Satguru. That's all it is. Now, why do we need to surrender to Sadguru also is the question. Why? What is the purpose to be bowing down, doing pranam, or chanting his name and what all? Why is it needed? So, past 2 days, what was going on is I'll share with all of you is this. So, I'm trying to see on my own how does the soul functionality of connectivity works. So, I was doing arati and I was praying, and all of a sudden, I was merging on myself towards the soul. Realization about thought was that from a hardcore, non-transparent soul to gradually to become transparent. Now that will only happen when the focus starts to increase. You cannot dress up the soul. There's no way we can dress up the soul. I tried everything. I tried to give this, I tried to give that, but nothing was sticking there. It was just speaking like, we discussed about it, right? That's all. So nothing is sticking to the soul. You can't give the dress, you can't give water, you can't give bhog. But we offer it to Baba, you can't give it to soul that also. ना मरती है ना जन्म लेती है, right? The soul doesn't die, the soul doesn't wake up, doesn't happen anything. What is it? If it is, I cannot dress up my soul. I tried everything, I failed. It is that Nirakar, Nirankar, no Akar. That's all it is. See, if I can make no efforts of dressing up my soul, I can make no efforts of giving food to my soul. I'm talking about food, the bhog, what we do. I cannot even give that drop of water I'm offering to Shivalingam or to Baba. I can't do that. I cannot increase or change anything in my soul. What am I fearing for? Then what is my fear? My brain, my chit, my man, my avastha, my physical body. What is my fear? And why is my fear? I have pains. Yes, I may have pain in a physical body. What does that mean? It means nothing. It just means to take care of the structure of the temple. Till the time the soul is there, just take care of the temple. That's all. Which I don't, unfortunately. Why do I need to take care of the temple? So that till the time I am blessed with the particle, with that light in that soul, its existence has meaning. Till the time I'm into this, only till that time I will be able to enjoy it. There's no meaning after and before. What comes up? It comes, I don't know. Somehow I go back to the same thing. गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा, निष्काम होके मैं दिन रात गाऊं, गोविंद दामोदर ये तुम्हारा, भूलो न भाइयों हरि को ध्याओ, क्या साथ लाए हो क्या ले चलोगे। गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलूं न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा, निष्काम होके मैं दिन रात गाऊं, गोविंद दामोदर ये तुम्हारा, भूलो न भाइयों हरि गुण गाओ, क्या साथ लाए हो क्या ले चलोगे। We are just fighting and running after what? Uttara? Did you ever try? All of you should try whenever you get an opportunity. Try when you do arati, give arati to your soul. When you focus, try to focus on your soul. Try. You will start enjoying in a different mode. You will start getting it. You will feel something else. And that is where it should lead to. We are all into our games where we want the best for ourselves, the best for our children. We want the best. But what is the best for the soul? Very simple, right? Ram, 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 Ram. 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 Ram, 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 Ram. Ram, Ram, Ram. Baba is saying, don't worry that you don't need to panic if you have a job or you have problem. Don't worry about it. Keep your efforts on. Keep doing your efforts. I'm not stopping you. And the right time will come, I will give you a job. I'll give you that. Take it. Put your efforts, don't fear. The time will come. Stay away from negativity, people who have nothing else to talk. And what is that negativity? Who are those people? Your own thoughts. Don't think of people around you. Don't start thinking that Auntie Ji close by and that friend and then Chacha and that Mama and that XYZ. Don't think about them. If your thoughts are stronger, there is no negativity outside. It's only me. We can blame anybody. That is the best thing we can do. Talk about anybody, X, Y, Z. Raja, if your own wall is stronger, who can barge it? Can anybody impact you? Adina, man. See, if you let an intruder to come and push your door and come inside it, that means we never focus to have a right kind of a system that nobody can barge inside. We had weak locks. But I was not talking about people, huh? Stay away. Stay away from all that part. Then you will get everything. You will get all things. But keep your time and focus for my Saiva. Focus on me and rest I will take care. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Oh, Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Oh, Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman. Oh, Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Oh, Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Bhajman
Narayan, Narayan, Narayan.
Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. Oh, Bhajman Narayan, Narayan, Narayan. 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 Baba said, if I will not only get you the job, an opportunity, but I will take care of you also. And I am taking care of you in many ways. You may not know, but just have focus on me. Get away from the thoughts which bothers you, like the black pepper in the tea, right? क्या रघु? नहीं राजा?
जी बाबा जी.
है ना? It is not the people, it is the thoughts which are trouble.
Yes,
What
Baba.
what's your thought, मेरा बच्चा? What should we do, Raghu? How we should overcome, Raj?
Just focus on Baba.
How, Puttu?
Remembering Baba all the time.
You have to be awakened, मेरा बच्चा. Awaken means a thoughts which an awakening process is the best thing to have. If your thoughts are awakened, nothing will bother you. Right? Nobody can bother you. You can bother yourself. Nobody else can bother you. You have to come out of that.
So,
Right, Raja?
yes.
See, beauty is this. We may be able to color our beard when it grows, right? But we cannot change the base color, what is coming from inside.
Right, Baba.
Nobody can. Nobody can change the base color. We can only color the outer surface. How are you going to color the inner surface? What's coming from inside? Right? Pakka Raghu?
जी बाबा जी.
A1D, careful, huh? Yes, Ruth.
If it's not our soul that's wanting whatever it is, what is that?
See, there is another part of our body. See, it's like that along with the engine, it's just not the engine in the body. There are other parts also, right? To make the wheel rotate. Our brain is very strong. How you direct your will connectivity connects with your brain. So you need to get working on that brain aspect to control. We call it Vivek Buddhi. Kubuddhi, Vivek Buddhi. With wisdom, thoughts of wisdom. So once you start to, it takes time, but it's not like you cannot wash once in bleach and it is out. Dina Ben can tell you so many times she washed in bleach, nothing happened. Right, Dina Ben? It's a process, Mera Puttar. It takes a lot of time. Why it takes a lot of time? Because we have taken time to load ourselves.
But what aspect? If we're the soul, then what is that other thing that's loaded?
Right.
But without the soul, there is no brain, right?
No, the brain is still there. Okay, then the body, when your soul leaves the body, your brain is still active for a certain time, then dies. Right? So what happens is you can try, you can find out. There's nothing to it. Whenever you have a thought which is not comfortable to you, which is not there to you, what else you push it out? The same thing. So it is said it's a very fine line between realization and justification. Self-realization and self-justification has a very fine line. Your brain will justify, your soul will realize it. And once you have trained your brain to say no, it is our other part of it, which is the outer part, which we call it the colored part of it. We have painted part of it. Is always craving for something. Should be or should be not. It's always craving for something or the other. Your soul will not crave for that. The soul would always look out that how much are you focusing on to bring yourself out. Where else your brain part is from outer part to bring it inside. All the external part is what the activity goes on, what the eyes are watching it. But when it comes back to your soul, it is very simple part of process, mera bacha. I was reading one article long back. I think it was Vasani ji's article. A lot of them. Unfortunately, we are so driven by the external aspects of life that we have difficulty realizing where the soul is. But simple part is the soul has no greed or need. Soul is like that horsepower in you. Now it is up to you to increase that horsepower. How do we increase that? That keep yourself focused on, as you said, keep on the chanting part of it. Now, somebody says, yeah, but you will not be able to enjoy the chanting 24 hours till you are into that mode of chanting. You can be saying Ram Ram the whole day. Doesn't matter. But saying Ram Ram only doesn't mean anything. The impact of that stamp has to come. You know, when you go to notarizations of people that have a power of stamp, right? So it has to impact, the chanting has to impact you. The chanting has to make an impression on you. So if there is no impression, you are not getting anywhere. No? It has to make an impact. And impact is very simple. Very simple. You feel it. You feel it. Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Uttar, who is it? Who is Narayan? Who is Sri Krishna? Who is it, Uttar? You all of you, all of you. There's nobody else. It's you. You are searching from him outside. He is not outside, Raja. He is not outside. All of you would have heard that story, no? That deer running for Kasturi. The heron, the deer, keeps running in the whole forest to find where the smell is coming from. You know how it happens to all of us? I can smell agarbatti, I can smell chandan, I can smell vibhuti, I can smell this. It is you. It is just you. Till the time you realize this, till the time you understand this, that we will not be able to carry anything else. No matter how much hard work and craving we have, मेरे बच्चों का ये हो जाए, मेरी फैमिली का ये हो जाए, मेरा ये हो जाए, लगे रहो, लगे रहो. There are certain acts on a day-to-day basis once you do, everything else is taken care of. Everything is taken care of. Not for your this birth, but coming births, past generations, everything is taken care of. But you have to get into that. मैया जी असी नौकर तेरे, दाती जी असी नौकर तेरे, नौकर तेरे चाकर तेरे, नौकर तेरे चाकर तेरे, मैया जी असी नौकर तेरे, दाती जी असी नौकर तेरे, जपदा रहा मैं शाम सवेरे, मैया जी असी नौकर तेरे, दाती जी असी नौकर तेरे। You know, if I give you that, you know, now it is Corona days, right? Corona, kuch to Corona, right? So I give you a piece of ginger to all of you. I'll tell you, make ginger tea. Don't touch the ginger and make ginger tea. Can you make it? Why? Why, mera bachcha? I gave you the ginger. The very first thing you will do, you will wash the ginger. Some of you may peel the ginger also. Then you will take it into that little, vase or something. You'll then crush the ginger or cut the ginger, whatever. But it needs the essence to come out of ginger. It needs some kind of a beating, cutting, peeling. Then the essence will come in the tea. As it is whole ginger, you put it in the water, nothing is coming. You need to grind the wheat. To make your bread, chapati, roti. You need to grind the rice to make your idli, dosa, uttapam. You need to grind things to make them fine. Why can't we grind ourselves? Why can't we peel ourselves? Why can't we are ready to boil ourselves? Why? Why not? Why do we have this always that whatever I am saying, whatever I am thinking, whatever I know is the best? Because I know my pain. I know what I'm going through. Only I know. How do you know? You're the only person in the world. You are one individual, yes. You are one soul, yes. The pains are not everybody has. It's a very similar pains you will find no normal other people. It's to the body, not to your soul. So what do we do? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om 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 Namo Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Simple. Simple. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. And Vasudeva is not very particular. The moment you call him in love, he comes. He will come. It is your intensity, your thought, and how much you put pressure on him to come. It's very clearly, this old man is clearly saying this, right? Don't worry. Do the best, leave the rest. Do the best. And things will walk to your door. Things will walk to you, knock at you, come. But keep going on. Dina Ben, teacher? Puttar, we have this beautiful temple as a body. Getting a Satguru takes lot of efforts. We are blessed to have him. We are blessed he is there. We are blessed we are alive. Think of people right now who are suffering in that volcano where it has come. No drinking water, no medicines, no clothes. Just think of that. Somewhere I was reading some that dusty storm come. Too much of I don't. The whole town is covered with that. It is a lot of efforts for them to remove that dust. Sandstorm. Nowadays, we are getting lot of people calling us for they want to send a lot of stuff to this island, St. Vincent or where it is that volcano has erupted. A lot of disruption has happened. Think of that, Putter, how fortunate you are. You can sleep, you can eat, you can talk, you can do everything. Then what is the trouble? Just to awakening up your soul. It is already awakened. It is you who have to connect to come to it. The soul is not sleeping. While you sleep, the soul is still not sleeping. Because it's not the soul which needs that. It is we who need that energy to again revamp ourselves. Jago, jago, Mohan pyare, jago. मोहन प्यारे जागो. कब जागोगे? जैसे राधा ने माला जपी, श्याम की मैंने ओढ़ी, चुनरिया तेरे नाम की, तेरे नाम की हो बाबा, तेरे नाम की राधा ने माला जपी, श्याम की मैंने ओढ़ी, चुनरिया तेरे नाम की, प्रीत क्या जुड़ी डोर क्या बंदी, बिना जतन बिना लगन हो गई मैं नहीं, बिना मोल के मैं बिकी बिना दाम की, राधा ने माला जपी श्याम की मैंने ओढ़ी, चुनरिया तेरे नाम की। बुढ़ा पागल हो गया। राकेश डर के हमारे कैमरा ही नहीं ऑन कर रहा कि जूते ना पड़ जाए। डर के मारे कैमरा बंद करके सुन रहा। थोड़े दिन पहले बोला था सब कुछ छोड़ दूंगा बाबा के लिए। सांवला सलोना मेरा काली कमली वाला, इसीलिए काला। यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला, राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला, बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया, बोली मुस्काती मैया ललन को बताया, काली अंधियारी आधी रात में तू आया, सांवला सलोना मेरा हो, सांवला सलोना मेरा काली कमली वाला, इसीलिए काला। सुमु मारेगा तो नहीं ना पुत्र? मैं डर लग रहा है पुत्र तेरे को देख के। अच्छा स्नेह को देखो, भजमन नारायण वेरी नाइसली संग, देखो क्या बात। अच्छा पुत्र देखो, छोटी सी जिंदगी है, डोंट वरी क्या है और क्या नहीं है, जो है उसका मजा लो पुत्र, भरपूर जियो। जैसे जैसे हम बहुत खुश होते हैं ना, द डे वी आर वेरी हैप्पी, वी टेक लॉट ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड बाबा को यहां सजाओ, कृष्ण को यहां सजाओ, शिव को वहां, सबको फूलों से नहला दो, विल डू एवरीथिंग, बट वी डोंट कैनॉट डू इट एवरी डे। व्हाई? We don't have the same thoughts. We don't carry the same energy. That one day, not one day. कहते हैं तुम वो करो जो तुम चाहते हो, तो फिर वो होगा जो मैं चाहता हूं। तुम वो करो जो मैं चाहता हूं, तो फिर वो होगा जो तुम चाहते हो। फिर वो होगा जो तुम चाहते हो। पर दाढ़ी काली नहीं होगी, कहीं ये मत सोच लेना कि दाढ़ी काली हो जाएगी, बाल अपने आप ही काले हो जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, ये पहले समझ लेना। बाद में कहीं बोलो जी मेरी नीचे से बाल भी काले आ जाएं, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला। हाँ, गुड। क्या लिखती है स्नेह बिटिया? Was conducting Gita class in March. Sorry, ओ कुछ नहीं पुत्र, ओए जो कल चला गया वो गया, जो है उसका आनंद लेंगे। न न न न या न नी न न न न न न न न न न न न न। जो मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया, मुकद्दर समझ लिया। हाँ पक्का, चलो। क्या क्या लिखा है बिटिया ने? फिर कुछ लिखा है?
Apache, how Saima is doing now?
शी इज बेटर पुत्र। पुत्र एक काम करते हैं, देखो, ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, हाँ, कि हे साईं, सबका कल्याण करो। कैसे करो? एक सबका सबका समस्त सृष्टि का कल्याण कैसे कराएंगे? ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय,
Namah Shivaya.
नमः शिवाय, ओम 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 नमः
Shivaya.
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः
Shivaya.
ओम नमः शिवाय, 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 ओम नमः शिवाय। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम। मेरा बच्चा, टेक ऑल ऑफ योर परमिशन, हैव अ वेरी वेरी ब्लेस्ड टाइम, एंजॉय, and remember one thing, there is no fear. The fear, if you can change one thing in you, to have a strong wall of your own will, that nothing can bother you, nothing can disturb you, nothing can shake you. That's all that is needed. That's all it is needed. There's nothing, there's no power in anybody else. Nobody to do anything. Trust me, mera bacha, nobody has any power. It is power within you to take care. Hmm? Stay blessed, all of you. Stay blessed. Stay blessed, mera bacha. Stay blessed.